This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Fogel. Virtual tour and 360-degree views available. Unique opportunity to customize Pelican Landing and #X 2019's most coveted estate home floor plan, the Arthur Rutenberg Bimini. Situated on nearly half an acre of mature landscaping in the prestigious Lakemont neighborhood, this -3,300 square feet 4+ den, 3 and #XBD, bath home has room for the whole family to spread out in luxurious comfort. Outdoor living and pool area takes center stage, as home graciously wraps around oversized pool deck further surrounded by lush foliage and expansive backyard, with room for grassy play area or decorative gardens. Indoors, open concept with central kitchen and great room features split suites for privacy, soaring ceilings, and abundant transom windows. Walk or ride to fitness center, Publix, pharmacy, and several local restaurants from this terrific location. Pelican Landing and #X 2019's amenities include a 34-acre private island beach club, Gulf access sailing and kayaking, 12 Hartrue tennis courts, attended fitness center, bocce, pickleball, and regularly scheduled recreation and educational activities. Optional golf club and social memberships available at Pelican's Nest, 36 holes of championship golf with 2020 renovated clubhouse. For more information, review the details below.